What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, let's talk about finding keys in Grey Zone Warfare, as it may not be immediately obvious how you do so. Tabbing into the game here, I'll open up my inventory, and as you can see, I've got myself 4 separate keys here. I've got the KV office key, as well as the Lumberyard maintenance room key, and the KV attic restaurant storage as well. So how exactly did I get these, and how do you find them in your gameplay? Well, it's actually super simple. Whenever you're looking for a key to enter a certain building and complete a quest line, for example, you'll need to walk around in that specific area and hunt scavs for your keys, as there's no jackets or anything like that you can usually loot in, say, Tarkov. You need to find them on dropped enemy soldiers. This, of course, may change sometime in the future. So if you're trying to do, say, Helping Hand for Handshake, where you need to find intel from the restaurant, you'll need to find yourself the KV attic key, for example. And in order to get this, you'll need to A, know where the location is, and B, roam around there until you eventually find a key on one of the scavs as a dropped item. So, first of all, finding where it is, checking the map and zooming into your area. All of the hometowns or things like this for each faction along the map is the same sort of T-shape as you can see here. It's just slightly rotated. Where everyone is inside of this building right now, just next to the motel here, on the left side of the T is pretty much where the attic is. And if I wanted to go collect the mission item, I need to go upstairs then, use the key on the door, and on the chair inside, you'll find the item that we're looking for. In order to find that key, you'll need to roam around in probably these 4 blocks over here, and when you do so, you'll probably find the key as a drop, if not immediately right next to it. There's a couple of scavs out the front, for example, and that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, there's no fast way to get keys at this point in time, but they do seem to not be single use, and of course, if someone else has already run through the area and opened the door for you, as in you stayed in the raid long enough, then congratulations, you can probably just walk yourself in anyways. I managed to walk myself into the medical room over here, even though I'm lacking the key for that, and pick up the quest item that I needed. Upon doing so, I was able to complete it, but I got faction killed on the way out. Anyways, finding keys is relatively simple. You just need to roam around this area, or the close proximity of where you're trying to open the actual door, and eventually you should find a key on one of the scavs that drops them. Obviously, if you clear out the area and there's no AI left, you'll need to navigate away from it and rotate back in a little bit of time, just so everything has a chance to respawn. If you're having seriously bad luck and the server is absolutely packed, you'll need to end the deployment, leave, and come back, maybe on a different server, and hopefully there'll be fewer actual players in the town. As you can see here with these around here, I'd have pretty bad luck going in and finding AI to kill, because there's probably not going to be anything left after a group of 3 people has come through. But anyways, finding keys is relatively simple, and of course, once you have them, you can keep them forever. As long as you're playing in the same faction as your friends, you can simply lend them a key or go with them whenever they have similar quests to do. And when you get them, I'd recommend you just keep them at the bottom of your stash, maybe in a bag or something like that, just so you have them for later on if the chance ever arises. So that's really it. Hopefully this video explains how you can get yourself keys in Grey Zone Warfare. It's actually super simple, although it's very annoying to just roam around the same area looking for them over and over until you eventually happen to find them, and even so, it's not guaranteed to be the right key. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and stay subscribed if you'd like to see more Grey Zone Warfare tutorials. Ciao!